Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you that how you can book your train ticket in Uzbekistan. You can either download the Uz Railway app or directly you can go on website uzrailway.com. I have already downloaded the Uz Railway app. Open the app. Choose your train in which you want to travel. Then choose your wagon number and seat. Then tap on continue. Then fill the passenger's detail. After filling the details, then tap on save. Then tap on continue. Here it's your choice that you want to take travel insurance or not. Then tap on total payment amount. Then choose what card you have. Then add the card and enter the card details. Then tap on pay. It takes some seconds for processing. After completing the process, you will get an OTP. Enter your OTP number. And then submit it. After successful your payment, you will get your ticket. Or you can download the ticket. Thank you for watching my video.